On behalf of His Excellency, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, and the Federal Government of Nigeria, I hereby declare the Board of Directors of the National Credit Guarantee Company Limited duly inaugurated. Thank you and congratulations.
But permit me to thank you and Mr. President for the bold, very bold, courageous, and transformative leadership that you're providing for this country. I think, for me, the establishment of the National Credit Guarantee Company Limited is more or less an attempt to give vent to our democracy to deliver on its promise. As it is said, the promise of democracy is life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. You can be alive, you may enjoy all the rights, but if you don't have the means with which to pursue